Good morning class. As we have started with the exercise of chapter 1, that is alphabet 1. And now today we are going to continue with the exercise only. Yesterday we have done the C exercise. Now today we are going to do the D exercise. In the D exercise, the heading is you have to arrange. We have been given 4 words. You have to arrange those 4 words according to the dictionary words. Like in dictionary, we get the alphabet in an alphabetical order, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And in this way only you have to arrange those words. Like for example, the first one is given R-A-I-N, rain, rope, R-O-P-E, R-A-I-L, R-I-P-E. In 2 words like rain and rail. Rain, R-A-I-N, rain, R-A-I-L. The starting 3 alphabets are same. So we will see the 4th word, 4th alphabet. Like 4th alphabet, first comes L. In alphabets, we get L first, and after that we get the word N. So rail will come first, then after that after rail the word which will be right will be rail. Third one will be ripe and the 4th one will be rope. Like this you have to arrange the words in alphabetical order like we have been given in a dictionary. I hope you all have understood. Now let us begin with the exercise in our book. This exercise is on page number 7. You have to do this exercise in your book only. Don't write anything in your notebook. Now today we are going to start with exercise D. Put today's date in your book only. This exercise is on page number 7. Now, exercise D. Arrange the following words in order they appear in the dictionary. We have been given 4 words over here. You have to arrange these words like, as I have made you understand that when you will get 2 words same. Okay. Now in this you can see R-A-I-N, rain, R-O-P-E, rope, R-A-I-L, rail, R-I-P-E, ripe. In this, I hope you all can see, first of all the first letters are starting with alphabet R. Are you all seeing? Second word, in 2 words, the second word alphabet is same, that is R-A-R-A. You all can see this. Now, in the third word is also same in these 2 words. I is the alphabet over here and I is over here. Now, as 3 words over here are same, so we should move to the 4th word. Now, let us read the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So, rail will come first. Rail, L, M, N. So rain will come in over here in second number. Rain. After that, let us move to R, A. A. Let us see the second word now in these 2. R, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I word will come over here in third word. So right will be over here. I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So O, rope will come over here in the 4th column. Now I hope you all are getting how this will appear in the dictionary. This will become more easy for you when you will read the alphabet. When you will start reading the alphabet, this exercise will be more easy for you all to do. Second one, T-R-A-Y, tray, T-R-A-I-N, train, T-R-A-P, trap, T-R-I-P, trip. First word starting with T in all the 4 words. Second word R, 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 R. All the four words are having the second alphabet R, R. Let us move to third alphabet then. A, I. So we will leave this one right now. Now let us compare the four words. Now let us compare the fourth alphabet in the second one. TRAIN, train. After A, when we will read the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I will come in first. So the train will be in the first. Second word I, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So trap will be in the second word. Trap. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So Y1 will be that is tray will be in the third column. And the last one will be trip, because TRI. I comes after A. I hope you all are getting how you have to do this exercise. The same you have to do in the third one also. First one will be sky, skate, skip, skin. So S and K are similar in all the four words. So the first A comes in first. So skate will be in the first column. And after that SK, after A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I hope you all can see that in these two, both are having the third alphabet I. Skip, skin. So you have to see the fourth word over here. Fourth word alphabet, which N should come before or P should come before. The alphabet which will come before will be in the second column. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So skin will be in the second column. And skip will be in the third column, because P comes after N. And the last word will be sky. Now let us move to fourth one. In the fourth one, the first word is GRIP, grape. Third one, GRIN, grain. GRAIN, grain. GRAPE, grape. Now, both in GR. In all the four words, the starting two alphabets are GR and GR only. So let us now see the alphabet. Third one, A. I hope you all can see that in these two words, grain and grape, the third alphabet is AA. So we will see the fourth letter and fourth alphabet which will come first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I will come before P. So the first word will be grain. Second one will be grape. GRAPE, grape. Third word GRII. You all can see the same. The starting three alphabets are same in both these. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So grin will come in the third column and grip will come in the fourth column. So write grip in the fourth column. Let us move to fifth one. In the fifth one, I hope you all can see the first word is book, ball, bring, bell. This one is more easy for you all to do, because in this the second alphabets are different from each other. So A, B is the starting word over here. second word will be ball. So ball will come in the first column. After that, A, B, C, D, E. Bell will come in the second column. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So book will come in the third column, and the fourth column will be bring. Bring will come in the fourth word. I hope you all have got this exercise. Last one is left. And let us move to sixth one. In the sixth one, C-A-K-E cake, C-A-S-H cash, C-A-R-E care, C-R-A-Y-O-N crayon. So in this, the starting two alphabets are same in three words. So let us compare the words now. C-A, A-A-A. Now let us mind the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So cake will come in the first column. Cake. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So care will come in the third one. R, S. After R there will be S. So cash will be in the third column, and the last the word will be crayon. I hope you all have got the exercise. Homework for you all is to, you have to learn this exercise thoroughly. Thank you.